Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Hopefully always in good condition. That this time I will fulfill the assignment for the English for Biology course to make good and correct slides. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Erika Setiawati. I am from Offering B with student ID number 220-345-602-800. Okay, next let's move on to the next slide. This slide tells you about the title of journal that I use for this presentation. The title is Application of Hand Washing Properly as a Measure for Transmission Prevention COVID-19. The author of this journal is Ruswanto et al. From the JMM or Jurnal Masyarakat Mandiri. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. In this slide, tell you about the research question. The research question of this title is how to socialize the importance of health protocol during a pandemic. Of course, this is very important to do to break the chain of spread of COVID-19. And then the specific purpose of this activity is to provide understanding the community about how to maintain the spread of COVID-19 by providing poster and herbal immunomodulator products and distribution of hand sanitizer. Next is background of this title. The background of this title is an existence of the SARS-CoV-19 virus that attacked the whole world and reached the peak of its spread in 2020. And research socialized ways to prevent the spread of COVID-19. One simple thing to prevent the COVID-19 is to wash our hands properly. This method is considered effective for killing viruses that are on our hands that we fear will be exposed to our body. No less important is implementing the correct health protocol to create social herd immunity. Although the government has made various efforts to tackling the spread of COVID-19, adding positive cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia is increasing. This is due to lack of acknowledgement in the pandemic, which has implications for the lack of public awareness, so that handling is less interconnection in the government system in our country. Various attitudes negative things are shown by the community, ranging from not using masks when in public place, do not apply social distancing, crowding, not even complying with the policy implementing work from home. In this regard, it is related to the handling of COVID-19 is necessary to carry out community service activity regarding effort to contain the virus. Okay, we will next to the next slide is the methodology of this title. This research time is July 14, 2021 offline in the place Madrasah Khairul Mubarakah, Panyairan Village, Tasikmalaya District, Jawa Barat, Indonesia. The target of this research is recitation congregation of 17 people. Method of this research is socialization program about how we can break the chain of spread of COVID-19 by do a health protocol like wash hand properly, etc. The media of this research is brochure and presentation material. Socialization is carried out briefly to prevent the occurrence of crowds, and also materials have been delivered through brochure. Technique counseling by distributing brochure is also considered effective for increased public knowledge. Next slide is the result of this research. Most of participants have not applied COVID-19 prevention. After being given an explanation of the material, participants were given a questionnaire on their understanding of the material that being explained. The result of the evaluation of the level of understanding of the participant is in socialization material number 1 is health protocol. 9 participants don't understand. 12 participants quite understand. 49 participants understand the material. And the second socialization material is hand washing properly. The 4 participants don't understand. 15 participants quite understand, and 51 participants understand the material about washing hand properly. During the socialization, the researcher get a lot of positive things, including the community spontaneously fixed the use of masks, and soon as we give them understanding, besides that the community also know how to wash their hand properly and correctly by using hand soap and hand sanitizer, and also change their distance when the research give understanding. Okay, after we know the result of the research, and the next slide is discussion of the result. The discussion of this result is after being given the material, there is an increase the level of understanding of the participants, which indicates the success of this socialization activity. However, returning to the implementation on the participants will also affect the success of socialization. Participants do not fully understand the material given. This can depend on the presenter or the participants themselves. Participants apply the material given correctly and the time of socialization. And again, implementation in real situation is more important to prevent the spread of COVID-19. After the discussion and the result, next slide is the conclusion of the research. The conclusion is 71% of participants have gained understanding about health protocol. And the second conclusion is this socialization has a positive impact. This activity is considered to have a significant impact positive because it is based on short-term evaluation after following in this activity. The community will know more about the good implementation of health protocol and how to wash their hand properly, so that it can be applied in everyday life. To further expand to impact the activity, it is recommended to carry out outside of educational institution. And the last one is need further socialization like this to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Okay, and finally we have gained the end of the slide. That's all from me. Thank you for your listening to my presentation this time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next presentation.